Trying to get people to pay attention. It's only gonna get hot, you guys. Like your worst horror movie. That's where this leads to. Horror is here. Fear is here. First, because of these beings. Second, because of the movies. Because of stories. Because of legends. First, the legends were fear about these beings. And that's how it can make you kind of receive that they're mimickers of noises. The Halloween night. All the different noises going on and stuff. All the fear going on. Do you not recognize all the extra fireworks without there being any flashes in the sky? And all those extra fireworks have similarities in their noises. They're not an actual fire ignited explosion with chemicals like gunpowder or such. They're made by more, maybe a clapping of two rocks, maybe a clapping of two sticks. I don't know where we all are here, but you gotta trust me when I say it goes biblical. These stories are from Moses' time, the Pharaoh's times. We got over 170,000 pyramids around the world, big sculptures that we don't have answers for. 170,000. Probably, I don't know how many are big, but let's just say 100 of them are ginormous. It's getting hot. You know, let's just all start talking. Talking on my level. Bring the audience to us. Let them be eager to know what we know. Cheers.